Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the Teenitor 144 PCs press on toenails, and trust me, these are some of the best toenail extensions you can find. If you're tired of dealing with messy salon visits or long application times, this set is going to be your new best friend. First up, this set includes 6 different sets of French tip press on toenails. A total of 144 pieces with 12 different sizes to ensure a perfect fit for almost any toe. Whether you have small or large toenails, these nails come in a variety of sizes, making them super easy to apply. They're designed with a nude base and a white tip, creating a classic French look that's both elegant and natural. The glossy finish on each nail ensures they stay shiny and beautiful without easily wearing away. The application process couldn't be simpler. You get both nail glue and adhesive tabs, giving you the flexibility to choose how you want to apply your nails. The glue will ensure your nails last between 14 to 21 days, while the adhesive tabs offer a shorter wear time of around 5 to 7 days. But they're perfect if you want something easy to remove without damaging your natural nails. And no worries, there's also a nail file and a wooden stick included in the set to help you with shaping your nails and pushing back any cuticles. One of the best things about this set is that it comes with a durable and strong design. You won't have to worry about cracks or bends like some other fake nails, and the French tip style will keep your toes looking polished and professional for weeks. Plus, the set is super convenient, arriving with all the tools you need in one compact box. The Teenitor press on toenails set really stands out as one of the most convenient and durable options available, making it the perfect choice for anyone who wants flawless nails without the hassle of salon trips. So if you're looking for the best toenail extensions, look no further. Grab your set and make your toes look fabulous in minutes. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.